Hello, my name is William, and I'm a senior at the University of Denver and a peer leader in the LEP. Today, I'm going to run through a brief explanation of the MyDU platform. MyDU is the primary information platform used by DU. DU houses a wide range of information that will become available to you throughout your DU journey. To access this platform, type mydu.edu into your search engine. Your username will be your DU email address followed by the password you created for this account. Please note that it's important to have Duo set up beforehand to allow access to the MyDU platform. So I'm going to log in right now. And so we are now logged in. Once you are on the platform, you will see a bunch of information. You can take your time to click through and explore, but today I will show you some of the main features. So starting with the degree audit, you can find that by clicking on the search bar at the top. You can find your degree audit up here, in addition to various other information that if you want to click on that. To register for a class, you can type in register for classes and you'll see this register for classes button. And then if you click on that, you have some options to prepare for registration, to plan ahead, to view your registration information, to register for your classes, browse your schedule, browse course catalog. The most important one I would say is to register for classes right here. And when you click on that, you can select a term. So they'll provide different quarters. If when you're there, if you're just starting at DU, you only probably have one quarter, but that is where you can select your term. So let me go back now. And so yes, that is how you can register for classes. You can also search the Health and Counseling Center. So if you, for example, have a medical appointment on campus, you can click on My Health here. You can then proceed and sign in with your DU. If you'll be a DU community member, so you can sign in with that there. You can also pay for your tuition through this app as well by through the DU Pay, which can also be accessed here through the student resources right here. DU Pay right there. So that's how you can pay for tuition. And then you can also find information on the dining hall hours by in the search bar through dining halls. And so if you scroll down, you can see all the different dining options on campus. There's Loom's Sushi and Bowl, Einstein Bagel Bros, the Front Porch Cafe, Starbucks, and the hours are just listed below. Seven Spoons is one of the food options within the dining hall, in addition to Chef's Corner and Grill. So, for example, if you are wanting a burger from the grill, you can check the hours below here. And then going back, just to look at the homepage as a whole, these are widgets similar if you have an iPhone. You can manage your widgets on an iPhone, and it's the same kind of feature where you can choose to delete the widget. So this whole box right here that's called 4D Pathways could be deleted. And you can choose to add a widget or find new widgets. And you can kind of customize this page with the information that could be helpful for you. Um, so yeah, that is the My DU portal. And again, just it's important to take some time to navigate this platform and independently familiarize yourself with it. So if you have any questions, please, you're always feel free to contact the LEP if you have any questions. Thank you.